Hi, this is Eric from Overpass, and I just want to tell you a little bit about a project that we're really excited about. We just completed for a client recently. So like earlier this year, we were commissioned by Nominet. They're the company that does all the .uk domain names like .co.uk, .me.uk, .org.uk, and now just .uk. So they commissioned us to create a game to help them spread their brand identity. So we created the Domain Space Race, which is a game where you use the accelerometer on your iPad or iPhone or any other device like an Android device, and you pilot a spaceman through a star field and you land at a UK domain family planet. So like, for example, like on the first level you have to land on the planet .me.uk. It's a lot of fun. It's really cool. Now originally we were asked just to create a single level game which they use at a trade show. So at the London Business Show this year and at a few other events, people were able to come by the .uk booth and play a game and go on a leaderboard to win a prize. So they would come by, they would play the game on a big screen, and it was really cool. It was a lot of fun. So based on the success of that, Nominet then approached us to create more levels so that we could create a full-blown app to put onto the App Store. So we created the Domain Space Race with many more levels, and we put it onto Android and iPhone on Google Play and iPad. So throughout the whole process, our Overpass designers worked very closely with the brand managers at Nominet to make sure that we adhered to their brand guidelines, and also to make sure that that everything we did kind of adhered to the meaning of their brand. So it was a lot different than when we do an app for ourselves, where we have a lot of flexibility in that area, or if we do it for just a single client, because then we have a lot more that we can do. But still, it was a lot of fun. So the game is available on iTunes and on Google Play for iPhone, iPad, Android devices, phones and tablets, and it's called the Domain Space Race. It's really good. It's free, and I encourage you to check it out. Now, if you're a brand manager or like a business owner or anybody else who's trying to spread the word about your products or services, an app or a game is a very interesting way to do that. And of course, Overpass would love to help you do that, or at least explore the options of what we can do. Like in the early days of the Nominet project, we created lots of proof of concepts, like a Pac-Man clone. We created lots of stuff that we never actually used, but it kind of helped us to decide which way we were going to go for the project in the end. So it was a lot of fun. The people at Nominet were really great. Our goal through the whole process was to make sure that they were happy with everything that we did, and I think we accomplished that. We got some really good testimonials from them. It was a lot of fun. Once again, my name is Eric. I'm the owner of Overpass, and I make apps. Give me a call if you're thinking about creating an app or a game to help spread your brand. I'd love to talk to you. Like I said, we have experience working within brand guidelines and also working very closely with companies locally and brand managers to produce exactly what you want. I'll talk to you later.